YUCa Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make the appetizer with using kelp. So after making dashi soup stock, you don't know what to do with the kelp. So this is the idea to create this video. Oh, you don't need to throw it away. It's not a waste of food. And it's very simple to make this dish. So today, my son Kingo will join. Let's get started! Let's get started! Here are the ingredients. So at first, we use kelp. So this is a kelp, leftover kelp. So now we cut this kelp into square shape. Square shape. Yes. Now it's a little bit slippery, so I recommend to pile up the kelps and cut quickly. It's very slimy. Neba, neba. In Japanese, we say neba, neba. Now we put all kelp sheet into the pan. I recommend medium low heat. And now let's seasoning. So we will add 2 tablespoons sugar. And then 1 tablespoon mirin. And then we will also add 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. Okay, yours okay. Last one, 3 tablespoons soy sauce. He turned off the heat. Of course. And then we stir fry. And then we mix all together. And we stir fry until all the liquid absorbed and evaporated. So it's simple. Please tell me. And I'm sure you also have a leftover Bonito flakes. Actually, I have one here. I also recommend to add the Bonito flakes leftover in here. Now let's add Bonito flakes. It's leftover. And all the liquid absorbed. Now it's done. できました。では味見をしてみましょう。OK、できました。では味見をしたいと思います。いただきます。でも食べる？食べる？はい。よし。ちょっと味が濃いので白いご飯に合うと思います。美味しいね。しょっぱいかな。飲んじゃっていいね。白いご飯が欲しいです。美味しい？美味しいです。よかったです。So thank you for watching, everyone. How was the video today? I hope you enjoyed. And then I hope you liked using kelp, leftover kelp. So please make dashi soup stock. I put the link below or somewhere around here. For this recipe, I recommend to stir fry the kelp for a long time. so that you can enjoy the softness of the kelp. So it's easy to eat with rice. So that's my tip. So that's my tip today. Please try it out. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Wow. Thank you, Kango. Thank you. It's too polite. Oh no. じゃあ、しめ、電気消してきて。電気消して。明るすぎるから。It's too polite. Please turn off the heat. Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights. Uh-oh, he turned on the other light over there. Uh-oh. That's what toddlers do, I guess.
Wow,
Wow.
wow.
Okay.